Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you're not familiar with ThreadBeast, it's a monthly subscription. They have different tiers, different levels, different price points. I don't know the lowest level, but I know the premium I've done, and I've done a bunch of the Baller unboxings, which that's what this is. The Baller the Baller box is $250, and it is the top of the line, top of their chart. It guarantees to come with a pair of shoes. You have your personal stylist. They basically give them a ton of your information, your waist size, your shirt size, your height, your weight, and a bunch of other information, and what styles that you like. They give a bunch of different options from bright and colorful to kind of plain. So you have something that kind of fits towards your style. So far they've been okay. Some of them have been a little bit of a hit. Some of them have been a miss, as you can see. A lot of them I feel like it's just coming from like you know, what do they call that? Leftover bins, the leftover cheap ones that no one buys. Sometimes I feel like it's like that. Someone commented on another one that said like they're coming from Marshalls, but never know what shoes I'm gonna get. These are the originals. So I'm not a big fashion person, so I apologize if I don't know if these are really expensive or if they're just like a $50 shoe. So check this out. Oh, that's definitely interesting. This will fit for my car shows, but I'm not really a big fan of it. So they're the Adidas originals, but camouflage. I may wear these at some point, but probably not. But it has a price tag on here with no price. Just says originals. So that's the guaranteed shoes. But now, this big box out of the way. Now you have the big ThreadBeast box. This is really actually pretty heavy. I want to thank you guys for, actually you just want to see what's in it, but I want to thank you guys for those that have purchased using my link in the description. It gives you $50 extra stuff, and it also gives me a bonus box of $50. They still owe me 4 more referral boxes of successful referrals. So we'll see when and if those come in. I'll have to hit them up eventually. They just come at random, so I'm not sure. But this is going to be my last Baller box for a while. $250. I'm getting plenty of clothes. I have tons of clothes. I'm concentrating and using my money towards my build on my 370Z. So without further ado, let's check out these shirts. It's got a lot of stuff in here. So again, I've told them I'm not a fan of hats or watches, but apparently they just don't care. And they gave me a $36 dope hat. So there you go. It's not a bad hat, but no offense, who pays $36 for a hat? I know people that are into style. Let me know, is this worth $36? I'm going to toss that over there. The first shirt we have is a long sleeve with winter coming up. Oh, what does that say? What? It says what it is. So this is a Tavik. You can wear this. It's not bad. So you have nothing on the back, and then each sleeve has those. So I can definitely wear this. That's good. I like that one. I'll wear that. The next one is going to be really, really bright. This is Authentic Hendrix. So I'm assuming Jimi Hendrix. Oh, well, it's a diamond shirt. Long sleeve, winter coming. Definitely use some long sleeve shirts. Has writing on the sleeve. That on the front, that on the back. So that's the next shirt. Set this in there. The next one, I could always use collared shirts for casual Fridays at my work. This is, what brand is this? Oh, another LRG. I got their belt before, and now I have their short sleeve shirt. It's kind of thick. The material feels thick. It's definitely weighted. So wear that on a Friday. It's not bad. So that's two for it. Next thing is, I'm not sure if I'm a fan of this. This is what? It is JSLV. Of course, made in China. It's not too bad. It's very plain, simple. And the next thing's going to be, let me adjust this up a little bit so you can see me a little bit better. Next thing is a pair of pants, but they're definitely not the style of pants I would normally wear. So apparently these are meant to be worn baggy because I wear a 32 to 34 width, but I wear like a 30 to 32 length, and these are 34 width, 34 width but a 34 length. So these are really long. They have these pull strings on the bottom, kind of hanging pull strings, so these are definitely going to be baggy on me, but they're Tavik as well, if I'm saying that right. I'm not really a big fan of these, but maybe I'll wear them. Getting cat hair all over them. So it looks like there's another pair of pants in here. Check these out. Now these are 34 9-inch inseams. Whoa, those are bold. I like them though. I can wear those. Check it out. Hey baby, what do you think? I'll have to try them on, see how they fit, but they look good. I like the bold color. It's not bad. I don't know what I'm going to wear it with. Whoa! Okay, I'm going to show that last because that's really bright, but this is really bright as well. I'm not sure if I'm... I can wear this with those shorts, that's for sure. That's really bold. Baby, what do you think of that?
Ugly.
Yeah, I know. This is not my thing. It's, what is this? Deep? 10 Deep. So whatever company that is, 10 Deep. This will go in my box to go to the Philippines because I'm not going to ever wear that. Now this is really bold and really bright, but it says XXX USA and I'm 10 Deep as well. But whoa, that's heavy. Holy crap. So this is a hooded sweatshirt that is like really bright. Look at the colors on that. I don't know. I'm kind of torn.
I don't know who'll wear that.
So apparently my daughter's gonna wear this, even though this thing is like huge. What size is this? Because this is like, oh, it's large.
Yeah.
But it's a pullover. It's not a zip up. So, but that's really bright. It's like kind of like almost like a patchwork color, but that's definitely bold. I don't know. Maybe I'll wear it. We'll see. Then the last thing we have in here, aside from the post your pictures of what you got and the ThreadBeast stickers that are always there. My garage is gonna have so many ThreadBeast stickers on it. Eventually, it's just crazy. But I like these socks. I'm a big sock fan. It's richer, poorer, quality cotton, everyday crew. So that's your socks. Yeah, my Rottweiler likes to eat my socks, and she grabs them out of the laundry basket and ruins a bunch of them. It's kind of frustrating, but so that's everything that this month came with. What do you think? Do you think it was worth it, or do you think I should send any of them back? Do you think that's worth $250? I kind of don't think they're really worth $250, but that's just me. So check out my other unboxings. I've done a lot of other ThreadBeast unboxings, like I said. Follow the instructions if you want to help me out and you want to do 1 month, it doesn't have to be the Baller. You can do the premium or any of the other boxes, and you can get $50 of free extra stuff in your box. All you have to do is follow the directions. It's going to give you the link. You click on it. When that comes up, it's going to have a code, but that code is only good until midnight. So when that code comes up, you have to already be planning on purchasing. And then when the code comes up, you click on the link that's also in the description below the link, and it'll bring you to the page and already add the code, I believe. So, but if you don't follow those steps, I don't get anything out of it, and you just get the $50, which, you know, whatever. But again, thank you for watching.